Sean, let's try outfit that window I got. I showed up a couple days ago and put a new roof on this thing. I just want to make sure it fits. It should fit, but now's the time to make some changes if we need to. All right, like new money. Yeah, I just want to make sure it's there's no big gaps in here because we use that ribbon sealer. All right, looks good. It's a little loose right there. Yeah, we'll have to put something in this corner here. Okay, we're good. Let's take it back out and put it away so it doesn't get broken.